Hello everybody, it's Andrew here again, author of 500 Social Media Marketing Tips. Check out the link in the description to grab your copy today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use illustrated tweets for business. Illustrated tweets were an update rolled out in October 2013, initially for only Samsung branded Android tablets, but I'm sure we're going to see the feature rolled out more fully in the future. And as you can see from this example, illustrated tweets allow Twitter users to sketch original images to send out to their followers, or doodle directly over photos from your photo gallery. As the scheme is just launched and for a limited range of users, there aren't too many people using illustrated tweets right now, but you can still get a really good indication of how special they might be in the armory of social media marketers. So in this example from the Samsung Mobile, you can see that they say tweet us today and you might receive an illustrated tweet in return. And in this example from Jutour, you can see that they've doodled over the top of one of their images as a humorous way to help promote the tour. And you could easily do something similar to the ideas from Samsung and Jutour, either as a quirky way to promote your products and services to fans, or as a way to make them feel special with a personalized illustrated tweet. That's all for this time. I hope it helped. Don't forget to click subscribe for lots more social media marketing tips like this one, to give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and to check out the link to my book in the description below. Thanks very much for watching, and goodbye.